All right, so if I could just give some free advice to some flooring business owners or flooring contractors, I completely understand that you guys are super busy people. You guys are constantly on the go unless you have no jobs coming in. You guys are constantly on the move. You guys have a bunch of things to get done, and I understand that you're super busy and there's a lot that you can't do with your time. So I'll give you some tips that do not take a bunch of your time, okay? So step one to the riches of being a flooring business owner, okay? First things first, you need to build authority. You really do. You really need to have a brand positioning, whether that be on Instagram and Facebook, Instagram or Facebook, one or the other, or both, which is better. You need to be positioned as the go-to in your area. You have to be the top person in your area. If you're not the person that everybody's calling, or you're not the company that everyone's calling when they need an installation, you are not there yet. Okay, you need to be the guy in your area, in your radius, that everybody knows, everybody sees on Instagram, everybody's on Instagram and Facebook, right? There's probably there's billions of people on these social media platforms. In your radius, there's a ton of people, and if they see you constantly, you will become the go-to for them, right? They know, okay, I saw this person on Instagram, let's give him a call, let's book in an estimate, let's see what he's about, right? They like your content. Building that authority really just positions you as the expert in your area and in your niche, the flooring industry. So yes, step one, definitely build authority. So start creating on Instagram, start posting content, creating videos, start filming videos. I have a ton of videos on Instagram walking you through what you can post, like a bunch of ideas. If you're like, okay, I don't know what to post, I have no idea what I need to be posting, do I just film myself walking into the job and putting the floors in? If you have any questions like that and you don't know what to post, go to my Instagram, or I have a couple videos here, I'll link some right here, where I give you actual steps and actual ideas that you can take and begin creating videos. Next thing you need to be doing is marketing. You need to market yourself, right? You can't just sit around on Thumbtack, spend a bunch of money and get outbid, or sit on your and wait for word of mouth jobs to come in and drop into the palm of your hands, right? You need to be marketing your company and your business and yourself out there. So if you build authority, you can market yourself and advertise yourself to people and gain engagement and attract traffic into your content creation, to your brand authority, and drive traffic to your authority. Or you can market a direct response ad where it is an actual job or an actual offer. Let's say you're offering $200 off all hardwood installations for the next month. Market that. You need to advertise that. You can learn how to advertise. So sit down for a week or two and actually learn the strategies to advertise and learn the basics and start marketing yourself out there. I also have videos walking you through how to advertise. Or you can outsource the advertising portion, because I know, like I said, you guys are very busy and you don't have a lot of time to be sitting around marketing. Okay, so learning how to outsource is also a key thing and a key tip, I would say, for you to learn if you haven't already. The majority of you guys know how to outsource. You guys hire jobs. You guys are the head of your company and you hire people to do the jobs for you, the contractors, right? But if you outsource the marketing portion, then you will have the marketing coming in with hands-free, essentially, right? You don't have to do anything other than create the creatives, which is the videos or the pictures. And in terms of creating videos or content or anything of that nature, you need to sacrifice time, essentially. Okay, so when you're doing these jobs, if you have the time to pull out your phone and set it up and take a video, you could set up your phone, click record, and leave it there the whole time you're doing the job. That is fine. That's all you need to do. You can make a bunch of pieces of content out of that one video. Just sacrifice some time into, if you don't have it outsourced, sacrifice some time into learning how to advertise, learning how to edit. Simple edits, just chopping pieces up, deleting pieces that are irrelevant and unnecessary. You have to sacrifice time if you don't have the money to outsource. Okay, so sacrifice your time into creating content and creating videos for your company, and in the long run, it builds that authority and it is way more than worth it for yourself. If you don't have any time to do any marketing or any video creation, then take a risk and hire a filmer and a photographer in your area, right? And hire someone, if you have the money, hire someone to record everything that you do and make really good content. Or you can just hire like your little cousin to come to your job and record you for a day and just pay him $50 for the day, right? Take a risk into the online creation portion, and instead of relying on Thumbtack and these old outdated strategies of waiting for GCs, waiting for leads to come in from your word of mouth or referrals, anything like that, take the risk into a new strategy and learn how to create an external source of leads, right? If you can learn a new strategy that's working, that's proven, and learn how to bring in leads externally, a consistent stream of leads, so there's no such thing as slow months anymore. There's no excuse for you to be having consistently 10 jobs a month every single month, as long as you have the right strategy in place. I know there's slow months like Christmas, it can be slow, or January, it can be slow, whatever. Take the risk into learning a new strategy is what I'm trying to say, and be open-minded to the fact that there are new strategies out there. You don't have to stick to what your great-great-grandfather did in the past that worked for him, right? Learn new strategies and implement a new system that will consistently bring in leads for your company. The last tip, I would say, just come to understand that what you're doing right now is not working, right? If that's the case for you. If you're stuck and you're in a rut and you're not bringing any extra jobs in, understand and come to accept the fact that what you're doing right now clearly is not working. Okay, let's say you're advertising on Yelp or you're using Thumbtack and you're like, damn, I'm doing 3 jobs a month and then 0 jobs the next month and then 3 jobs again and then 2 jobs the next month. Like, it's just inconsistent, and come to accept that, okay, this is not working. I need to figure out a new strategy. This goes into taking the risk. I need to figure out a new strategy to bring in leads for my company and better my own company, and really just begin implementing this new strategy into your own business. So just accept that things will stay the same for your business. You will stay in that rut unless you change. Unless you change something, flip something in your mind where you're like, okay, I need to change something in order to reach my goal of 8 jobs a month or 10 jobs a month, whatever it is. Understand that you need to change it if you're not where you want to be in your business at the moment. That's the tips I have for you, because I know you guys are super busy. So if you want to have a chat with me one-on-one, I'll leave a link in the description. Feel free to click that link and we can sit down and have a one-on-one chat. We can talk more about what we do and what we provide, and I can go more into depth about your situation and just give you a free audit and kind of just walk you through what you can be doing to change. Because in this day and age, there is a whole new realm of strategies. Like, there are so many strategies that work, and we can go over the contractor authority funnel for your business, see if that can even work for your business in particular, and really just sit down and have a chat one-on-one. If you have any questions, DM me on Instagram at noah.o.arnold. That concludes this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.